Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your network related apps like Google Play Store or browsers in Xiaomi Redmi Note 12. To do this, first let's try to download something from Google Play Store. In this case, let's go for this. And as you can see, we can't even reach this app. The same is with Google Chrome, so if we try to reach any new website or refresh already open website, we have this error. And to fix both of the issues, we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Right here, select date and time and set time automatically. If you go back to your browser and reload the page, it should work fine. And the same is with Google Play Store, so we can click on try again, and now everything works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.